Hello Dnation and welcome back to a unique unbox and review episode. This one is for all you pubG fans out there. So in today's episode we're going to be unboxing a pubG Player Unknown's Diecast motorcycle with a sidecar, and I'm going to review and make a scale and design comparison with a licensed Diecast motorcycle. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, here's a brief overview. pubG or Player Unknown's Battleground is a trending strategy battle game that has become a phenomenon on PC, Xbox and its mobile version. There are varieties of vehicles available in pubG for land and water, some of which vary from map to map in this game, and every single vehicle has its own speciality which includes speed, power and handling, which makes driving every single one of them a different experience. To mention a few, pubG has a buggy, scooter, Mirando, minibus, pickup, PG-117 and a lot more. But today we are going to focus on the motorcycle which was first shown on March 16, 2017 on the pubG Twitter handle and was later released in the early access month 2 update in the game. Now let's take a look at this premium diecast replica of the pubG motorcycle. And kindly stay tuned till the end of this video for a scale and design comparison of this pubG replica. And so, with that being said, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, which seems to be a standard pubG boxing. This diecast motorcycle comes in a see-through boxing with all the product branding and information, and by the looks of it, I guess this bike is fallen apart due to the bad shipping and handling and might need some assembly. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set this badass free. And with that out of the way, let's crack this thing open, and please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, as I guessed, this pubG motorcycle fell apart due to the rough shipping and handling, but however, let's get this one together and begin by taking a closer look at this pubG motorcycle. Well, at first glance, this diecast model looks quite premium and sturdy built and has quite a bit of weight to it, and manufactured mostly of diecast and metal, which makes it very sturdy and looks quite authentic just like the models portrayed in the game, and has good detailing and paint apps. But however, there are a couple of apprehensions I've got in mind regarding this model. And to begin with, what scale and size category does this motorcycle belong to, and which model is this design derived from? So with that being said, I want to show you which scale size this model closely falls into and from which motorcycle I think this design is derived from. So with that being said, let's first take a look at this diecast pubG bike and its basic specs and features. Well, this is a pubG Player Unknown's Battleground diecast motorcycle with a sidecar variation, and the scale and the manufacturer are not mentioned, so let's find out what we could figure out in regards to this. So let's first take a look at this model and its basic features and specifications. This exceptional pubG bike replica model was created based on the popular survival game PlayerUnknown's Battleground. The quality on this in comparison to the detail in the game is spot on. Well, this premium replica model is from the limited edition pubG replica vehicle series, and this model has a beautiful build quality which is completely made out of metal, and this model measures in at 4 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 3.5 inches in width, including the sidecar, and weighs in at 220 grams, which makes this quite a sturdy model. The branding you see on this side is the motorcycle is a tribute to the late father of Twitch streamer Bikeman. And this model also comes with spot-on details and has free-rolling wheels, which makes it functional too. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the heart of any pubG fan out there. And my favorite feature on this pubG motorcycle is the sidecar, which looks rugged and amazing. And with that being said, now let's take a look at a licensed diecast motorcycle model I personally felt this design concept was derived from, and this is based on my observations. So here we go. And this is a 1/12 scale licensed diecast model of the BMW R1200 GS, manufactured by Maisto. Well, according to me, I feel that the pubG bike concept design could have been derived from this model or some similar models, but I could be wrong. So if you know something substantial about this, kindly do let me know in the comments below. And so with that being said, let's take a look at the diecast motorcycle model. This is a premium diecast scale model of the BMW R1200 GS, and this model is made of diecast and a few parts with ABS plastic, and as usual jingles as all premium diecast motorcycles have. This model measures in at 7 inches in length, 4.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 209 grams, which are standard specs for a licensed 1/12 scale motorcycle. And moving on, this is a 1/12 scale metal pubG bike that I unboxed and reviewed not too long ago, and in case you missed it, I'll drop the link to it in the description below so you can check it out if you're interested. And I brought this in so that you can see a bigger standalone version of the rugged and famous pubG motorcycle as well. So with that, we can come to a conclusion with where this design of the pubG bike could have been derived from. So now, with the design concept cleared, let's move on to which scale size does the pubG bike we are dealing with today falls into. Well, with the design concept sorted, and for scale size comparison, here is a 118 scale licensed Harley Davidson panhead motorcycle with the sidecar. And by the looks of it, I guess we could frame this pubG model as a 118 scale motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's make a side-by-side comparison and see how they measure up visually and tag the pubG bike model to a particular scale size and model. So here we go. To begin with, the quality and build is awesome on both these models except for the difference with the paint job and the build style with the Harley Davidson. But the pubG bike does justice and is replicated to the model from the game, so that's spot on. And as for the size, they almost seem to be the same to me, but the pubG bike is 90 grams heavier than the standard 118 scale Harley Davidson model. But I feel that's okay because at the end of the day we get quite a sturdy and one-of-a-kind diecast motorcycle replica right out of the pubG game for the price, which is a bang for the buck. Initially I thought this wouldn't match up with my collection, but by the looks of it, I guess I'll be adding this to my 118 scale motorcycle collection with no exception, as this is still a beautiful and a unique work of art that will look like it just jumped out of the popular pubG game right into my collection. So welcome to the Dnation family. So now let's get this pubG motorcycle on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast models in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and in order and up to my expectations. And so with that being said, let's place this pubG beauty on the Dnation turntable and take a look at it in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. This motorcycle is the fastest vehicle on pubG, though the variant with the sidecar is slightly slower, which I finally managed to get my hands on. and this motorcycle has different color schemes from Erangel and Miramar, which are ash and desert respectively, and is available on all the maps. This motorcycle can traverse anywhere but has less HP than most cars. And in this game it is important to use the lean back and the forward buttons on it to make sure it does not flip. This motorcycle can be used to do stunts, but there are no points for that at all. The regular motorcycle seats 2 people, while the one with the sidecar seats 3. The person in the sidecar can shoot normally, while the one riding pillion can use only SMGs and pistols. And for further information on the pubG vehicles, kindly check the link in the description below. And also feel free to let me know what are your thoughts on these particular pubG diecast motorcycles that I've unboxed and reviewed today. And if you want to get your hands on this pubG diecast motorcycle model and also the other motorcycle models that were featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts regarding these pubG diecast motorcycles. And not too long ago, I did unbox and review the standard pubG motorcycle without the sidecar, which is a 1/12 scale. And in case you missed it, I'll drop the link to it in the description below, so go check it out if you're interested and show some love by subscribing, liking and sharing our videos. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.